Managing work orders manually can be time-consuming and inefficient. With DreamzCMMS automated work order management, you can streamline your maintenance operations like never before. DreamzCMMS automates task assignments based on priority, technician availability, and asset location, ensuring work gets done on time and with the right resources. With real-time status updates, maintenance teams can monitor progress, access critical asset information, and maintain full visibility over work orders, enhancing response times and operational efficiency. Once a job is completed, DreamzCMMS automatically updates the work order status, ensuring seamless tracking and accountability at every stage of the maintenance process. Improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and take full control of your maintenance operations with DreamzCMMS.